Hey, leaving a quick testimonial for Teds Woodworking. I purchased this woodworking plan a pack about a month ago when I wanted to build a playhouse for my daughter's third birthday, and all I can say is I'm very happy that I did. There were so many different designs and plans for each type of project, and they all came with the exact measurements, materials list, pictures, diagrams, step-by-step instructions, and blueprints. I mean, I could immediately get to work on my daughter's playhouse, and it turned out great. And there was no way at all that I could have gotten it done without these plans. You see, I knew what I wanted, but I just needed a guide, a tools list, the dimensions, the proper way to do the project. And thanks to Ted's woodworking plans, I had exactly what I needed. So if you're stuck for ideas for your woodworking project, kind of like I was, I highly recommend that you check out Ted's Woodworking. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Okay, check this out. Recently I went on the internet to find some woodworking plans because it was my brother's birthday. And I found tedswoodworking.com, and I am so amazed by this website and the products that he has on this website. He's got over 16,000 woodworking projects and plans. I signed on, of course. I'm a big woodworking fan. Not that I'm that great with my hands, my brother is. I saved so much money, it's not even believable. I wanted to build an outdoor set, but I never really knew how, or I could never really follow the plans. So I was able to do that from Ted's system. I got all the blueprints, the plans, the materials, full color pictures, easy to follow. Everything was detailed and understandable to me because I'm a visual guy. I like to actually see it. I have a hard time actually with written instructions, but that's just me. I also signed up for his free bonuses, which is a CAD plan viewer, and I can design my own furniture on my computer. And this was so inexpensive, unbelievable. Unbelievable price for the set that I got. I also got 150 premium woodworking videos, which really made me happy. And that's 150 different pieces of furniture to build. I don't know how he sells it for the low price that he did, but I'm very happy to have found tedswoodworking.com. And just check it out, see if you like it. But I think once you see everything that's on there, you're either going to buy it for yourself or someone in your family or a friend that is into woodworking or just is starting out. My son is 12 years old, and he's going to be helping me with some of this. I think I'm going to set him loose on his own with a few of these outdoor projects for woodworking. So Ted's Woodworking, it is the best.
Hey, I retired a couple months ago, and one of the things on my things to do list was to build a deck in my garden. And initially, I tried to design and plan out the whole thing myself, but really wasn't getting anywhere. So I looked up for some deck plans online, and I found out about Ted's Woodworking. Now, there's a huge collection of woodworking plans to choose from there, and you can get small furniture to outdoor projects like decks and sheds. I picked out one of the plans I wanted to follow, and it was a breeze. I mean, really from there on, it was simple. Everything was listed out from measurements, diagrams, instructions, and basically everything I needed to know to be able to build the deck was right there. It was very easy to follow, and I think Ted's Woodworking is excellent. I mean, it's a great resource for woodworkers at any level, and I would definitely I recommend, if you want to get into woodworking, if you want to do something like this, you got to check out Ted's Woodworking. It's second to none. They've done great for me. And so if you want to get more out of your woodworking experience, you got to check them out. Thanks so much.